Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage cash flow with NetSuite, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your NetSuite dashboard. Navigate to the Reports tab on the main menu. Select Financial from the drop-down options. Click on Cash Flow Statement. Choose the date range for your cash flow analysis. Click Refresh to generate the report. Review the generated cash flow statement. Identify inflows, such as customer payments and loans. Take note of your outflows, including expenses and vendor payments. Analyze the net cash flow to understand your financial position. Schedule regular reviews of this report. Access the Transactions tab to track cash-related entries. Select Cash Sales to view incoming cash transactions. For outgoing payments, go to Payments under the Transactions tab. Update your cash flow projections based on historical data. Utilize budgeting features to set targets for cash flow management. Monitor accounts receivable for outstanding invoices. Implement strategies to accelerate collections. Review vendor agreements to optimize payment terms. Integrate bank feeds for real-time cash position updates. Explore third-party integrations for enhanced functionality. Regularly adjust your cash flow strategy as needed. Document any significant changes in your cash flow patterns. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for complex scenarios. Stay informed about market trends that may impact cash flow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.